Uyazi guys, kunabantu abangaphili emoyeni, abangaphili to a level that ubone ukuthi lo muntu lo uthunywe usathane eqobo lakhe, uma kwayena engengosathane lo obhizi onqunqa iy'ngane zethu. Uyizwe inkulumo ukuthi ifike kumniniyo, le nkulumo lo oyikhulumile, le nto oyithintayo ifike straight kumnikazi wayo because I don't even know what's the word to use ukuthi ungabona a title of indaba engiyenzayo la on YouTube. Ungene kwi-channel, uyibuke indaba yonke ize iphele. Uyibukela ukuthi ekugcineni uzobe usuyangithuka ungisho ngaphansi kweziketi zikama, ungibize ngo-B wethu, ungibize ngo-S wethu, ungibize nga-whatever gama olaziyo neliyinhlamba eliphuma kalula emlomeni wakho ngoba wena awufundisekile vele futhi uyisikhohlakali nje ekuyisona esihambe siphuma singene sithunywe yilama Nigerian ukuthi nidayisele iy'ngane zethu iwunga, ukuthi nibambe iy'ngane zethu nihambe niy'khipha niy'faka kulama club alama Nigerian. Nenze yonke le mikhuba le abanithuma yona ukuthi bayenze and then bese beninikeza u-3,000 rand nibone ukuthi impilo yomuntu is worth 3,000 rand. There is a guy here on the comment section who posted. Uyambona ukuthi uyibuka wayibukisisa and ngiyakhumbula zonke izitori azibukile, ubuke lezi zitori lezi where I am talking about inkohlakalo yama-Nigerians. Azothi uqamba amanga wena sintontontoni, ungibiza ngesifebe, awungazi nokungazi, angikwazi awungazi. Yini uma ngabe ungena ku-YouTube ubuka into engakuchazi noma oyibone ngazi ukuthi ayilona iqiniso kuwe noma iyakudina noma why ungaphumi uhambe uyobuka le eyiqiniso kuwe noma uyobuka le ekuchazayo-ke wena, ngoba le eyami ongene wayibuka waze wakhomenta. I-comment yakhona yinde, wabhala waze wa-edit. Uyambona ukuthi he was fuming as he's writing, he was fuming. Engikwaziyo ukuthi iqiniso vele alehli kahle. Iqiniso alehli kahle and I'm not gonna stop talking about izinto ezimbi ezenziwa ama-Nigerians in this country. Noma ngabe uyi-beneficiary-ke, noma ngabe unama-shares, noma ngabe-ke nawe waba neyakho indlu la okhanda khona le nyawophe emosha izingane. Ngikhuluma kuyimanje ngigqekezelwe abafana abadla wena le rubbish ethengiswa yilabantu. They took everything in my house while I was away. Destroyed to the core. And I'm not gonna stop. If I receive stories from my DMs that are saying Nigerian person did this, Nigerian, I'm not gonna stop. Angidecileli igama la muntu phansi, ngikhuluma izinto engizibhalelwe kuma-DMs nengiziceliwe ukuthi ngizibhale. Ayikho into engiyibhalayo engiyisuse ekhanda lami. Ayikho into engiyixoxayo la on this channel engiyisuse ekhanda lami. Into engiyikhuluma into engiyibhalelwe. And it's only ingane enawane kuphela-ke futhi engaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani eSouth Africa. Yini efike yamoshwa yilabantu, kubola kuna abafike bakwenza bashintsha iy'mpilo zabantu. Kuyimanje nje hlala ubuke because there is another story and I remember ukuthi this story did not get much of attention because mangisenza ngasenza nomnikazi waso kodwa waye over the phone, wayengifonele and then mina ngangise-studio, so i-algorithm yaba confused ukuthi kwenzakalani because wayengafuni ukuthi avezwe. Sasimprotecta kahle kahle ukuthi so sasingeke siveze ubuso bakhe, so safaka nje isithombe esimnyama. I'm going to link down below istory leso. Ngicabanga ukuthi siyama-4 parts leso story leso. Asizange sithole much views because i-algorithm yacabanga ukuthi kuyenzeka uma uposta into kanjalo i-algorithm and it will just read it as if it's something created yi-AI because ayinabo abantu aba-natural abaphilayo, or icabanga ukuthi it's a robot, and then when it does that it will automatically just remove it from the system. I am encouraging you ukuthi uhambe uyosibuka i-part engizoyenza yale story manje ile part, ngoba lo mntana lo when I was doing that story with her, another thing angikubeke lo ukuthi why under witness protection. That's another reason kwakumele simfihle. Apart from that, umuntu mayecelile ukuthi uyafuna ukusenza istory kodwa akangavezwa, so we do that. Hence I've decided now ukuzenza izitori mina myself ngithi abangi-DM instead of ukuthi umuntu sikhulume naye on WhatsApp, because u-YouTube uyi-pick up leyo into leyo, leso sithombe sikanjalo esimnyama umuntu memboziwe as something else. I don't know ukuthi uvela abuka acabange mhlawumbe ubone ukuthi ngathi robot, or abone ukuthi engazi ukuthi into angazi ukuthi i-algorithm iyayenza, but i-algorithm inekhanda layo-ke, icabanga ngendlela yayo. Ngicela ubuke ngoba ngithi ngisenze lesi story ngoba ngifuna ukubone inkohlakalo eyenziwa yila bantu la eSouth Africa.
Hello, sanibonani, dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zonethambela lekude phezulu. Do join.
Hello sanibonani and welcome to another story time. Igama nguZandi, sibonga umamfeka lo umalwandle lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zonethambela lekude phezulu. It's another story time, not another nice one, but because we are doing this awareness, we are creating this awareness, ngizoqhubeka ngiyenze lento. Noma ungangithuka, noma ngizoqhubeka ngeke ngize ngiyenze. Izinhlamba zakho azinamatheli, I don't care, ngoba angazi ukuthi wena uzoze uthinteke kangaka uthuka abantu ongabazi ukuthi baxoxa amanga, ukuthi bathuka babize ngawo wonke amagama. Yini wena uthinteka kangaka? Yini wena uchukumiseka kangaka? Wazini wena? Shuthi ubona kahle ukuthi we are creating i-awareness now. So kunokwenzeka something, there's a movement that is going to start, that is going to end up ukuthi siphushe labantu, sithole indlela yokubaphusha bayiyeke lento abayenzayo, or baphume in our country, and wena uzosala ulamba and your chomies and your girlfriends and your whatever that benefits from ukubole enikwenzayo nihlangene nalama-Nigerians, because ama-Nigerians nje ane-access engaka ey'nganeni zethu nasey'ntweni ezinye ezenzakalayo esizibonayo. It's because anikwa abantu bala eSouth Africa i-access. Ajwayezwa abantu bala eSouth Africa ukuthi basijwayele kambi ngale ndlela abasijwayela ngayo. Ngebhadi-ke asinahulumeni, ngoba ukwabe sinohulumeni ngempela, who cares about people on the ground? Ngabe uyakuzwa ukukhala kwethu? Unless nabo-ke izikhulu mhlampe khona into eziyitholayo ngale nkohlakalo eyenziwa yila bantu la ekhantrini yethu. Kodwa-ke mina ngicela ukusho ukuthi noma ungangena la ku-comment section yami ungithuke ushiye ongalazi, angeke ngiyeke, ngizoqhubeka. Story-ke esizenzayo la ekhaya, i-stories ezikhuluma ngempilo, ezikhuthazayo, ezikhulisayo, eziqwashisayo. Eziningi zalezi zitori ngizithatha kuma-DMs, ngoba uyangisendela wena ubhale usho isitori sakho ukuthi kwenzakalani kuwena, ngisixoxe. Ezinye zezitori it's fun stories, ezinye it's just for entertainment, ezinye ama-experiences wami, okusho ukuthi we are talking about life in general. That is why uma ngabe uwumlandeli waleli khasi lami elibizwa nge-Meaningful Conversations with uZandi Mfeka podcast, ngiye ngithi kuwena, you are a graduate of life, because we have all been through some kind of experiences one way or the other. Esanamhlanje-ke istory ngicela ukudrophela i-link down below, kodwa sihamba kanje. Last year I was introduced to this girl via i-live on TikTok. Ngathi ngizidlulela nje, yabo mawungena nje ku-TikTok udlula nje u-check-a, and I saw one of my friends ukuthi u-live. Ngangena mangingena, so uma ngabe u-live ku-TikTok abantu bayakubona kwi-comment sections ukuthi ubani who just entered. So I just entered and greeted. Ngathi ngisathi ngithi ngiyaphuma nje ngoba I was from work ngiyikhathalele, ngingenayo i-energy yokuthi ngingahlala kuma-lives. Kwathiwa Zandi ungabusahamba, nayi inkinga la esicabanga ukuthi ungakwazi ukuyisolva. Sicabanga ukuthi lo mntana inkinga abhekene nayo ungakwazi ukumtholela usizo either way. That's how I met this young lady, this brave, beautiful young lady who's been through so much. Okay, so enye yezindaba angixoxela yona le ngizoyixoxa njengamanje ithi, sisizandile, ngangiphuma esikoleni. So uma siphuma esikoleni ufunda kwenye yama-TVETs. Uthi mabaphuma esikoleni, uyazazi izingane zesikole ukuthi ziyathanda ukuhamba zima. So that particular day babephume early and babeme estobhini belindise abanye babangani babo ilokhunjana ibhasi lesikole elibathathayo libahambise la behlala khona. So because babephume early, kusho ukuthi ibhasi-ke obviously lalizodileka, ngoba ukuthi kwakuzofanele liqale lifonelwe ukuthi izingane zisheshe zaphuma alize lizobathatha. Shuthi-ke ilama-TVET ne-transport, angitsho uyakhokha. Sometimes ukhokhe i-accommodation, abuye akhokhe ne-transport uma izingane zithole accommodation ekude nasesikoleni. So uthi yena bekahlala eduze nesikole, kodwa that particular day wayelindisa abangani bakhe i-transport, okay. Uthi balinde, bathe besalindile kanjalo-ke, abanye abanemali, abanye ba-decide ukugibela itekisi because it was quite early mangabe kusho ukuthi kwakungabo 12 emini kuyi-Friday. Uthi abanye ba-decide ukugibela amatekisi. So mese besele la esitobhini sebelindise lo oyedwa owayengenamali yokugibela, bathi hhayi, khululeka mngani, sizokulindisa up until kuze kufike ibhasi. Okay. So uthi bamlindise-ke loyo, sebewu-3 esitobhini. Uthi bathe besamile belindile, kwaqhamuka ibhakhi emhlophe ene-Kinop, ene-number plate. Yabona le number plate zokufika, uthole uyibone imoto ukuthi eyaseLesotho leya kephi kephi. Uthi nayo yayinalawo ma-number plate anjalo abhalwe ngokuhlaza. Uthi le moto i-drive engazukuthi iphume emgwaqweni, phaphalaze le moto i-drive kabi izongena kubona la esitobhini, basakazeke bagcwale indawo yonke, laba abanye babaleke. Uthi mina ngivele ngi-freeze to a point ukuthi ngoba yavele ya-drive yaqonda ngqo kumina, angikwazanga ngisho ukubaleka. Uthi akazi kwenzakalani emqondweni wakhe, wavele wazithola e-freeze. Uthi isicabha savuleka njengonyazi, shwi, isicabha savuleka fast, bamthatha bamjikijela phakathi emotweni. Yahamba imoto, uthi bamfaka into la emakhaleni. On the way, kusho ukuthi bamjikijela phakathi, babemjikijela phakathi e-back, ngithi ithi imoto yakhona yayine-Kinop. Bamjikijela e-back, uthi e-back kukhona omunye owayehleli phakathi, wamfaka something emakhaleni. Uthi nje after that he just dized out, akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uthi waphaphama le moto le isihamba endaweni angayiboni nokuthi uhamba kephi, kodwa uyabona ukuthi no matter what, le ndawo le is far away, and kusho ukuthi kade ihamba le moto ngoba uyakhumbula ingqondo iyabuya later on, hours later esephaphama, ngalesi aphaphama ngaso, uyabona ukuthi sekusebusuku and it looks like it's even midnight because uthi use-sense-a ngomsindo wezimoto ezihamba emgwaqweni ukuthi azisekho ningi iy'moto ezihamba emgwaqweni, and uma kaphaphama akasekho lo akade emfake lento evala amakhala, akasekho, kodwa futhi usehleli ngaphambili. Angithi meyimthatha le moto bamthatha bamjikijela kwi-back of the car. Uthi bese phaphama usehleli ngaphambili, sebebabili la emotweni. Okay. Bahambe, kusho ukuthi sebebabili kanye no-driver. Uyabona emgwaqweni kumnyama, kusho ukuthi seku-late, and uyabona ney'moto ukuthi zincane, kusho ukuthi it's very, very late. Mhlampe sekusephakathi nobusuku or kusezintatha or something like that. Uthi iqhubeka imoto ihamba, ambone lo ukuthi uphaphamile, ambingelele, "Hey baby, you are up." Uthi hayi bo, ngingaqhamuka sengivuka sengino-baby. Uthi ingqondo ibuye kancane. Uthi athathe amanzi, am-splash-e ngamanzi ebusweni, abese eyamnikeza ukuthi akaphuze. Kusho ukuthi vele sekafuna aphaphame, kusho ukuthi vele useyabona ukuthi hhayi, seku-late, there's nothing she can do at this point. Uthi iqhubeke le moto ihambe, uthi ngingasho lutho ngithule ngiyibuke le ndoda, isiqwaqa sendoda ende emnyama eyi-Nigerian ekhuluma vele ne-language, this pidgin English yabo. Uthi iqhubeke imoto ihambe. Uthi after some time ihambe, uthi manje seyabona ingqondo seyabuya. Uyabona amabhodi akhomba ukuthi indlela ibheke koGoli ngoba useyabona o-Albertine, yabona, usuyabona ukuthi indawo eziyela koGoli lezi, seyibhalwe ku-Albertine. Bamthathe kephi? E-KZN, ngako-Pietermaritzburg, la afunda khona. Qhubeka indlela ihambe, and futhi nje akasaphenikhi, uyambona umuntu wakhona ukuthi u-right. Uthi ame somewhere, abuze ukuthi ufuna ukudlani. Uthi ngizithulele nje ngingamphenduli ngoba ngizoze ngibuze ukuthi ngifuna ukudlani, bengifunani konokuba la. So ukuthi kuyamcacela manje ukuthi I've been kidnapped. Uthi hhayi-ke, ngoba ufuna you're not interested in responding to me, fine. Uthi aphuma ahambe ayozithengela ukudla, wathenga ama-chips nani, wadla. And uthi ngendlela umzimba ongisinda ngayo, obuhlungu ngayo, ngikhathele ngayo, ingqondo is consciously aware of my surroundings, kodwa angikwazi uku-act-a on it. Umzimba obuhlungu, ukhathele, angikwazi ngisho ukunyakazisa ngisho umunwe, ngisho ubhozo, indlela engikhathele ngakhona. Kangangokuthi uthi wambuka ehla eyothenga ukudla egaraji, bamagaraji thizeni, waphinde wazongena emotweni. Uthi akufikanga ngisho ukuthi ngimemeze, akufikanga ngisho ukuthi ngiphume ngibaleke kule moto ngoba phela ngiyabona ukuthi ngintshontshiwe okwangempela la. Right? Uthi baqhubeke bahambe. Uthi la akwangazi ukuthi khona into engcinzayo engivusayo very fast was when sengimuzwa enegotiate-a i-deal nalaba ayekhuluma nabo. Sengiyabona manje kuyangicacela ukuthi ngihanjiswa somewhere and la engihanjiswa khona ngiyodayiswa. And ngoba bayambuza ukuthi, "How far are you from the border?" Uthi la aphendula khona wezwa ukuthi we are about 600 kilometers from the border. Akazi ukuthi which border. Uthi wabona ukuthi lingishonele la. Makunje uthi ngakucabanga fast ingqondo ibuyile manje ngizwa nendlala lokukhathala ngiyakuzwa nakuthi kungibambile ngikhathele. Uthi ngacabanga fast ngathi la kusho ukuthi ngiyo-cross-isa ibhoda la, i-human trafficking le. If I don't do anything now, phelile ngami. Uthi ngacabanga ngathi kambe ngizokwenzenjani? Uthi ingqondo yambuyela wabona ukuthi the only thing ukuthi engamenza ukuthi le ndoda le ingamusi la kufanele imuse khona. Kufanele ayi-convince ukuthi yena uzokwenza noma yini eyishoyo. Uthi aqala akhulume-ke manje ayibingelele naye bembingelelile. Uthi I'm hungry. Ithi wena ngikubuzile ukuthi ngikuthengele ukudla egaraji wangibuka wangangiphenduli. So now you are hungry. Uthi yes, I'm hungry. Uthi so what do you want to eat? Athi yena anything. Okwakhe angithi bekuthengile wakudla waqeda wangashiya lutho. Uthi okay, let's find a place-ke where we can buy you food. I'll see where I can stop. Uthi abuze lo ukuthi what time is it? Uthi hayi bavele baxabane-ke babange isikhathi-ke manje ukuthi ubuza isikhathi uhlangana naphi nesikhathi. Uthi bahambe. Uthi le ndoda ivele imbuke. Uthi imbuke nje ngelinye ilihlo elinga-understand-eki noma ilihlo lokumdabukela noma ilihlo elinentwanyana uthi ambuke nje ngehlo elingazi ukuthi linosori engathi uyamzwela somehow. Uthi avele ahambe ame somewhere ngaphansi kwe-bridge in a quiet place. Akazi nanokuthi kwakukephi kodwa ubonile ukuthi indlela ngazuthi ibheke ngakoGoli. Uthi le ndawo i-quiet uthi vele ime le ndoda. Ivele ijikele ngapha kwesicabha imbambe imhlisele phansi. Angithi uvalile ngale ngakuyena nge-driver's door afike avule ngapha. Kungaphansi kwe-bridge kumnyama. Uthi indoda yagibela phezu kwakhe yenza athi mayisuka lapha yamqukula yamfaka emotweni baphinde baqhubeka bahambe. Uthi-ke yonke-ke indlela-ke manje sehamba ngey'ndlela ezimnyama-ke manje ezingenama-street light. Angisaboni nokuthi siyaphi sikephi, angisaboni lutho nje. Seyiyaguduza endaweni engathi kusemaplazini. Uthi whenever nje ezizwa ngazi ukuthi sekavukelwe uvele akudilike enze lento aqhubeke nendlela. Uthi kuhambe kwahamba angithi ubegcina ethe ulambile. Wahamba wathi wabona engena somewhere endaweni engathi i-motel. Those of you who don't know what a motel is, ama-motel is the cheapest kinds of hotels that you find in highly remote places. Most of those places are used by the truck drivers mangabe driver ama-long distances, especially laba abacrossa ama-border. They use those places called motels to sleep and rest. Uthi angene uyabona la kubhalwe ntontontoni motel. Le ndoda kade ihamba imreyipha, akasagqokile, usenqunu ngezansi, imkhumula ujini lo kade ugqokile. Uthi ithe isuka le ndoda yayidonsa isikhwama behind i-driver's seat, yadonsa ijakhethi enkulukazi, yamnikeza yathi gqoka. Le jakhethi yinde ishaye yabona lama 3/4 jacket amade awarm ase-winter. Imnikeze yona ithi gqoka la. Ethi siyehla siyangena la. Uthatha uthi uyehla akakhoni ngisho ukuhamba. Uthi vele imqukule imthathe imngene imfake ngaphakathi kulo motel ntontontoni. Uthi hhayi indoda uthi yamhlukumeza ubusuku bonke kwaze kwasa. And uthi uyezwa ukuthi from the time le ndoda ibimbuka engathi iyamdabukela kind of, kukhona ukuxabana kwenkulumo nalaba akhuluma nayo ngoba ibisilokhu ichaza ukuthi imali abam-offarisha yona incane. La uphethe umuntu o-fresh, o-young, onjani. Uthi is even explaining how I look. I've got a beautiful young woman here. You cannot be giving me that amount of money. The deal is off. Uthi that is when I decide ukungena emahlathini-ke manje ashintshe umain road angene emahlathini azawungena emotel amhlukumeze. Kusho ukuthi useyayibhatala ukuthi kusho ukuthi kahle i-deal nalaba abamlinde kwi-border abafuna umuntu wesifazane befune umuntu wesifazane. Kusho ukuthi i-deal ayihlangani or bathole i-description e-wrong, I don't know, or mhlampe i-order babeli-odile akulona leli laba belifunile mhlampe khona indlela abasebenza ngayo ukuthi iza nomuntu okanje, kanje, 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 and yena wayengezanga nalowo muntu mhlampe, I don't know. Kodwa uthi akwaziyo nje ukuthi wayizwa inkulumo ishintsha and bexabana, and mayishintsha inkulumo ixabana, the calls stopped. That's when he started ukumhlukumeza-ke manje, up until bayongena e-motel. Mayefika e-motel, amqukule, ambeke phezu kombhede, ahambe athi uyofuna ukudla. Abuye-ke nokudla ukuthi by the time ubuya naloko kudla angisakufuni. Kahle kahle mina ukudla yingoba bengifuna indlela yokumkhulumisa ukumngena. Angisakufuni lokudla abuya nako, ngiyabhlida, ungilimazile lo muntu, uyangihlukumeza. Uthi nje ngilento nje engingayi-understand nami ngiyabona ukuthi nje la kusho ukuthi ngiphakathi kokufa nokuphila. And I have to be strong for myself because I have to find a way to get out of the situation engikusona njengamanje. Uthi qhubeke-ke lento cishe almost i-weekend ukuthi ngize ngiy'nikele ekutheni ukuthi I need to eat something for the sake of ukuthi ngibuyelwe i-energy ukuze ngikwazi ukucabanga, ukuze ngithole iplani yokuphuma la. Uthi I dragged myself down. Le ndoda yaphuma yahamba yafuna engazukuthi uwumuntu obhema some kind of into efunqa emakhaleni, ukuthi ngoba uthi wahamba isikhashanyana nje impela kwakuphela isikhashanyana. Makabuya wabuye esephethe le powder-ke, wayiqoba le powder le, wayenza ama-lines, wayidonsa. Wananela-ke ukuthi kumnandi-ke. Uthi ngaleso sikhathi ihambile, uthi nje I dragged myself and got into the shower. Uthi ngavele ngahlala phansi nje ngezinqe eshaweni, ngawavulela amanzi abandayo angithela nje. Uthi angisakhali lapho, ngiyakhala, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngiphi, ngiyathandaza. I don't even know what to do with myself uma kunje. Uthi mayibuya-ke iqeda ukwenza leyo nto-ke, yafika yamdonsa lapha eshaweni-ke, yaphinde yambeka phezu kombhede, yaqhubeka la ayigcine khona. Uthi kwaba yilona nto kwaphela i-weekend. Uthi wangihlukumeza sesandleni ngaze nganamba, ngangingasezwa lutho, whatever akwenza ngangingasayizwa into ayeseyenza. Sengiyeke ngisho nokubhlida, ngigezile kanjani kanjani, kodwa nje senginamba, angisafili lutho in anything ayenzayo, angisafili lutho. Uthi kuhambe kwahamba, kuthe mase kuzophela i-weekend, kushuthi manje le ndoda iyacabanga ukuthi izokwenzenjani ngaye ngoba i-deal uzwile, wezwa i-deal inqamuka over the phone, abavumelani. Uthi ngabamba isibindi, ngathi kuyena, yazi ukuthi mina ngiyakuthanda futhi ngizokwenza noma yini ofuna ukuthi ngiyenze uma ngabe nje mina nawe sizovele sithandane nje, sivele nje sithandane ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi uyangithanda futhi ngiyakubona ukuthi uyaku-enjoy ukulala nami. Bowungeke ungivalele la i-weekend yonke kanti aku-enjoy ukulala nami. Uthi nawe sesebenzisa le ukuthi aphunyuke la. Uthi kwangazukuthi pay attention. Uthi yathi yalalela. Hhayi, emveni kwalokho indoda yavele yabona nje ukuthi siyathandwa ngempela. Uthi hhayi, emveni kwalokho yathi okay, asihambe-ke kufanele ngikuthengele iy'mpahla zokugqoka. Bahamba-ke, uthi iyaphuma yodwa, yahamba yomthengela iy'mpahla zokugqoka. Yabuya ney'mpahla zokugqoka yamnikeza, yathi geza, shintsha, yamthengela nento zokugcoba ba-right. Yathi kulungile-ke, from now onwards uzoba i-girlfriend yami, sibuyela back e-KZN. Uthi abuze omunye ukuthi uzongigodukisa yini? Uthi ungaphaphi, ungazoqina, akuzoshona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Ngisho uthe ngizoba i-girlfriend yakho, uzohlala nami la engihlala khona. Uthi bahambe babuyele e-KZN. Uthi waphunyuka ngokuthi le ndoda base behlele 3 weeks wonke ndawonye, imvalele endlini, kuyiyona ephumayo iyothenga. Uthi nale ndawo abehleli kuyona akayazi, kodwa nje indawo eyisemakhaya. Kodwa isemakhaya lokuthi umuntu nomuntu unendaba nento eyenzeka kuyena. Uyabona ukuthi abantu bala abanakani, ihlala nje endlini engazuthi iwumxhaso, like ewu-2 room, kunekhishi ngapha, kunekamero ngapha. Iyona elokhu iphuma ihambe iyothenga isinkwa, iyothenga ukudla, iyothenga ini, iyona futhi ebuye ipheke. Yena nje umsebenzi wakhe nje ukuthi alalwe, kuyinto yokulalwa nje zonke lezo zinsuku lezo, uyinto yokuthi alalwe. Uthi kwaze kwaphela isikhathi esingango-close to 3 weeks. That is when-ke manje kwafanele ukuthi acabange fast ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani ukuthi aphunyuke la. Uthi hhayi, ngilokhu ngiyamxoxisa kumlisa, ngizama indlela yokuthi ngimenze ukuthi angethembe ukuthi I'm the one now, because ngifuna indlela yokuphunyuka and I don't know how, angazi nokuthi ngikephi. As long as ngiphumile la, I don't care ukuthi ngizophuma ngibhekephi. Anginalo ngisho isenti, angiyazi ibhegi yami ukuthi ikephi. I don't have anything that belongs to me, and I'm sure ukuthi everybody is freaking worried about me ukuthi ngikuphi. Uthi akukho ngisho i-T_V la, khona i-radio encane, yabona lokhu okuncane ama-radio amancane. Akukho ngisho i-T_V, akukho nex kule ndlu. Kukhona nje iy'nto zokudla ney'nto zokupheka. Uyabona ukuthi indlu ekungahlaliwa kuyona kahle kahle, ekufikwa ngaleso sikhathi ngoba akukho ngisho ifriji. Lo muntu uyakothenga leyo nto ngaleso sikhathi ezopheka ngaleso sikhathi, abuye ayibeke la, ayipheke iphele ngakusasa kanjalo kanjalo. Yileyo mpilo nje ephiwe. Uyabona ukuthi yindlu yokubalekela kahle kahle le angilethe kuyona. Isemakhaya, angawazi nanokuthi amakhaya akephi nendawo. Uthi kuhambe kwahamba kwaze kwafika isikhathi la eqoqa khona isibindi, athi ufuna ukushaywa umoya. Ucela bathathe i-walk, uthi Golozi cha, we're not going to take a walk, we'll take a drive. Uthi la yalahla khona was when kusho ukuthi idlozi lakhe nje lamsebenzela or uNkulunkulu amthandazayo lamsebenza ngoba was when la amnikeza khona u-R100 wathi asinakudla endlini. Uthi basendaweni engazi ukuthi i-rank, uthi ne-rank yakhona nje indawo encane nje, yibona iy'ndawo zasemakhaya everything is ithe gqwa gqwa. Uthi la alahla khona wathi basendaweni engazi ukuthi iney'tolo, kodwa iy'tolo ezimbalwa, it's supposed to be a center kodwa nje iney'tolo ezimbalwa le ndawo. Wathi asinakudla endlini, me nangu-R100, hamba uyothenga, uthenge nesinkwa namaqanda. Uthi uyayiwathanda-ke amaqanda nesinkwa, uthenge nesinkwa namaqanda ne-Aromat. Uthi on top of that yamnikeza u-R100 omunye, yathi lo R100 uzithengele into oyithandayo, either ama-snacks or whatever that you wanna buy or drink or whatever. Uthi ngathi ya, nali ithuba lami. If angilisebenzisanga leli thuba, ngizobe ngibhayize okokugcina. And uthi futhi wayembona ukuthi engazi ukuthi uqalekile because uthi nje ingqondo yakhe iyayihamba mese engazi usefuna ukufunxa lento ayifunxayo laphaya ewuphawuda. Uthi wayembona ukuthi ingqondo yakhe ngathi ihambile, uqalekile, ufuna lento le. Ngoba uthi naye waphuma, wathi ngisayothenga ugwayi na-something to drink. Naye waphuma on the other door. Wathi kuqala nje ngathi jeb kwakanye ngemuva ukuthi hhayi nangempela akangilandeli, uphumile uhamba indlela yakhe. Uthi ngathi purukutshu, 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 uthi ngenhlanhla kanti le ndawo esime kuyona kuney'tolo nje ngale on the other side kunendawo erenke namateksi ambalwa. Uthi ngafika ebantwini bamatekisi nje ngathi ngisenkingeni. Khona i-Nigerian engibambile ingiraphile, kwathini, I need your help. Uthi bathi abantu bamatekisi bathi, what? Uthi nje uyakhuluma, kusakhulumeka, uyahafuzela, uyakhuluma. Uthi kodwa bamuzwa ukuthi uthini. Uthi bathi bambamba bamfaka emotweni encane yamalokhunjana, ngithi amatekisi ano-association. Bamthatha bamfaka emotweni encane yemoto yama-association, bamusa ema-ofisini a-taxi association waleyo ndawo. Bafike bathi hlala la. Uthi bathi awuyichaze le ndoda injani. Uthi kanti umlisa ngendlela ala ngakhona ubonile ukuthi lo, kusho ukuthi khona into emtshelile naye, wathi methi jeb lo akangenanga esitolo, wagijima wayongena esitolo. Qala le ndawo, ngithi vele indawo ey'semakhaya, iy'tolo zimbalwa, it's either yilokhunjana lapha, yintoni lapha, yabo. Uthi methi man ibalekile le ngane. Uthi wagijima waqalaza wambona ukuthi akamboni. Uthe methi inhlanga ngaphesheya naba abantu bamatekisi bala emva kwakhe. Uthi wangena emotweni wabaleka, uthi bambamba bamshaya, babiza amaphoyisa. Uthi that's how umlisa lo wabanjwa ngakhona. Only to find ukuthi umlisa mesebanjiwe unamanye amacala amaningi that connects to that man. It's either iy'ngane ezibulewe, abantu abanyamalala, uthi nje amacala akhe ayemaningi. That's how she ended up under witness protection, cause now akasekho safe. Ngoba phela lo wamlisa umazi ukusuka nomhlala, angamkhomba anywhere. So wayese under witness protection-ke ngaleyo ndlela. Loso story ngizosiphina at the bottom, i-link yakhona salothi uzosilandela, siyi-4 parts. Ngicela usilandele isitori saleya ngane, akahlukunyezwanga e-Nigeria not once, kaningi, ephuncuka kaningi. Uzobona ukuthi kungakanani ukukhohlakala okuza nalabantu, and ucabanga ukuthi sizoba happy thina, wena uzongena la ku-comment section yami uzongithuka ungitshela ukuthi ngikhuluma amanga. Just because wena uyabhenefitha emikhubeni eyenziwa yilabantu. It's fine-ke, ake siwabone-ke amanga akhona. Kuyimanje njengoba ngikhuluma nawe, lo mntana is still under witness protection. Njalo mebeya ecaleni, icala lakhona liyahlehla. Njalo mebeya ecaleni, icala lakhona liyahlehla ngoba mase kuthiwa sekutholakala kahle ngazi bayi-syndicate baningi, obviously. Ngeke ube nomuntu ongapha kwebhoda olinda abantu abashushumbiswayo ube uyenza leyo nto wedwa leyo. At some point owayephethe icala wakhokhelwa 60,000 kuthiwa akakhiphe i-information ukuthi ucashiswe yiphi lo mntana lo. 60,000. kwathiwa akavezi ucashisekephi lo mntwana lo. Wathi esesikoleni nje ngelinye ilanga ngoba uyafunda ugadiwe khona lapha esikoleni. Wakwazi ukubuyela esikoleni bampha rehabilitator nje bamusa koThuthuzela wakhanselishwa wa-right qhubeka nempilo wabuyela esikoleni. Uthi ngelinye ilanga wathi esesikoleni kwafika umuntu ezomfuna owayengaqondakali ukuthi kwakuwumuntu owayetheni, kanti kwakuwumuntu loyo owayesethunyiwe ukuthi kufanele anyamalale manje ngoba phela bamdilise ngoba phela manje uyinkinga. Wezwa izinto eziningi ngesikhathi leya nto enaleya ndoda, and uyena witness ophilayo oqanda ikhanda to prove ukuthi lento le yokushushumbiswa kwabantu ikhona. Yabo, and nalo owayembambile, khumbula la madoda uma embamba ayewu-2, kwakukhona odrayiva khona nalo wayembambile ngoba mechaza ukuthi lo wayembambile naye wayefana naye lo babengazi ama-twins, bamnyama bade bobayi-2, babebukeka befana. So wayengakwazi uku-identify-a lo wokuqala owambamba wamfaka emotweni, nalo owayedrayiva-ke manje wagcina esemlala 3 weeks wonke. Naye loyo wayekwazi ukum-identify-a. So uyabona ukuthi wayesenkingeni engakanani. So now uwukhiye we-case, uma kungathiwa kusuka yena endleleni, i-case ingavele iphele nje complete. Silande leso story. I'm putting down on the description box down below i-link yaleso story leso, so that you can actually see ukuthi uma ngabe sithi i-awareness lesiyenza la. Ama-story times uma ngabe ngithi iphuma kwi-DM, isuke iphuma kwi-DM ngempela umuntu osuke engibhalele. Uma ngabe ngisuke ngithi as-create i-awareness ngoba konakele, iy'ngane at least izingane zibe aware ukuthi kwenzakalani. Even ngisho u-lift these days, you don't take u-lift ongawazi, ugibela imoto ongayazi ngoba akusekho safe. Even worse-ke laba abahamba ama-club ngoba bafike bathengele ama-drinks abantu abangabazi. How much more into uzohlangana nayo emgwaqweni uhamba nayo ngendlela ungayiplananga, ungayicelanga, ungayifunanga. Iy'ngane ziyantshontshwa, kune-human trafficking. Iy'ngane ziyantshontshwa, ziyaphendulwa, zenziwa izinto bazisebenzisa for ama-rituals, bazisebenzisa for imihlatshelo yabo, kuningi. So asibeni careful and asi-raise le awareness. Ngiyacela ukuthi uyi-like le video, uyi-share, more than anything share it. Ibonise abantwana babone ukuthi you have to be very cautious. Even ngisho e-town khona owangi-DM wathi mina no, akangi-DM-anga, ucomment-ile on the comment section down below uthi, mina ngake ngathi ngihamba e-town ngalandelwa i-Nigerian, langilandela ngisuka eRobotini, lahamba nami ngaze ngabaleka ngayoma eduze komama abadayisa ama-fruits. Ngithi nangu umuntu engilandela ngimazi ufunani kumina. Uthi umuntu ebelesele ethi nginika inamba yakho, ethi asihambe ngizokuhambisa. Uthi wazi wangibuza ukuthi ngiya kephi. Uthi uzohamba kancane eduze komgwaqo ubuze ukuthi ngiya kephi, ngizokuhambisa la oya khona. Uxakwe yini uzufuna ufuna ukuhambisa abantu la beya khona ukuhlangana nabo edrobheni? Awunanto wena yokwenza. So kuningi guys, kuningi. Let us create this awareness. Let's spread the words. Share this video far and wide. Play it at home, abantwana bayibone. Uyifake on TV these days, u-YouTube uyakwazi ukumbuka on TV. Ifake everywhere, ishare everywhere ngoba akukho safe. Akukho safe. The only thing we can do is to raise awareness like we are doing, just so that kids know ukuthi at least ababe careful. Ithi into ikufice noma ungazeleleke, kodwa kube ukuthi aware ukuthi ungahambi uthatha izinto, uhlangana nabantu, uthatha o-lift abantu ongabazi. Amakhala ayaluma guys, i-sinus ne-flu konke. I'm so sorry. Kodwa let us create this awareness. And for me, for today, love and peace. Another story time is coming, and keep them coming as well on the DMs. You can DM me on TikTok. You can DM me on Facebook. On Facebook, you can even leave a voice note, because of Facebook, so I was to share my voice note now. Yeah. So let us spread the word. Let us spread the love and peace. Let us try to be safe at all costs. Love you.